welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl, the Melanie Barbie, African princess, Dumebi Lea. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome, darling. Please join Please join my big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell right beside it. That way YouTube lets you know whenever I drop a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys know that I love you. You are the real everything. So today's video is something that I've never done on this channel because I usually just focus mostly on beauty and lifestyle. But okay, as you guys already saw in the title, it's going to be a video of me unboxing a new iPhone 12 phone. Yo, it's still so odd to me because this is going to be my first iPhone, and I need to say it was gifted to me. This is it right here. I know the person that got this for me is going to be watching this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and you're a darling. And I can't believe, like, you guys, this is actually the most expensive gift I've ever gotten, and I really appreciate it. It was actually a suggestion by the person that got this for me to actually do this video because I didn't think about it at first because this is not usually my content on this channel, but I figured it would be a nice idea to film this while I unbox, because I can always come back and watch it and live in the euphoria of the moment. I can relive the whole happy vibes that I'm feeling right now. So I'm like, okay, so I want you guys to experience this with me as I'm going to be unboxing this. But a disclaimer, I am not a techie person. This is my first iPhone, as a matter of fact, so I don't even know what to expect. I may not be using the right terminologies or whatever. So if you're watching this video to see me really analyze the phone, you might be disappointed. I can't believe that I finally have one. I've been using a Samsung, and I'm one of those people that when you're like, oh, you should upgrade to an iPhone, and I'm like, why? Like, why? So yeah, so because I got active on TikTok, making more videos on my phone, and you know, as opposed to YouTube and Instagram that I used to film videos using this camera that I'm using right now that you guys are watching, I started getting more pressure to kind of like improve my video quality, and I think that was why I was gifted this. It came at the perfect time. I am so grateful. You know yourself. Thank you. So you guys, I'm going to be changing the angle of the camera. I have my table right here. The focus is no longer going to be on my face. It's going to be over here while I unbox, okay? I hope you guys are ready. And I'm so excited, you guys. Let's do it. It's time for the big reveal. Let's open it. You guys, yeah, it came in the color blue because I think there was no color purple, because that's my favorite color, so that's like the color that I would have gone for automatically. So blue is the next option since there was no color purple. So yeah, yeah, this looks very sleek. Is this matte or is this glossy? No, this is definitely glossy. Okay, that's nice. I don't know, I think this means it has a dual camera. Yo, I really don't know the terms. I told you guys. Okay, so now let me just open this to reveal the screen. Oh my god, look at how sleek this is. I love the size of this phone. I usually don't like when the phone is too big because my hands are kind of small, so I like something that is easy for me to grip and is slim by the sides. It's not too long, it's not too bulky, it's not too heavy. Okay, so let me try turning it on. I think I'm supposed to charge it at first. No, I haven't done that. Oh my god, I have an iPhone, look at that. Okay, so while this is coming on, okay, yeah, this is what it says. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so I have the cable. Yes, I was told that it doesn't come with the adapter. That's the charger head, so I'm going to have to get one. I have no problem with that. So this is just the cable to charge. This is what it looks like. I don't know if this is clear to you guys. So you guys, yeah, over here I think I already know what's in here. Yeah, there's a famous iPhone sticker. Can you guys see that? From the unboxing videos that I saw, I noted that it's like there used to be 2 stickers, and a lot of people were not happy about the fact that there's just one. So there's a little iPhone guide. I am telling you, I have never seen a manual of a digital device look this tiny. This is actually something I can read. I am not the kind of person that reads a manual, but I can probably read this one because it's really small. And then there's a SIM card ejector here that I'm going to use to put my SIM card. Alright, so that's all that's in here. you guys. So let's go back to the phone. It says swipe up to open. I'll probably have to flip the camera when I'm editing my country. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi. Jesus, I don't know my Wi-Fi password. So you guys, I need to go and find out my Wi-Fi password. I will be right back. So I'm about to set up my Face ID right now. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle. Face ID set up. This is going to be my first phone with Face ID. I think my other phone could do it, I just never used it. I just set up my passcode right now. So you guys, I've not put my SIM or I was about to say memory card, but yeah, say iPhone doesn't use memory card. I'm just laughing when there's nothing funny. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this video right here. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm so excited about this phone. Maybe if I have any thoughts or any reviews or whatever in future, as a first time iPhone user, I may make another video, a follow-up video to this one. Thanks for watching. Please drop me a comment. How do you guys feel when you got your first iPhone, or when you unboxed it, if you're an iPhone user, and if you're an Android user, have you ever felt the pressure to switch to an iPhone? Do you intend to ever switch? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.